eggshell of the color. It's like that.
Okay, you show how to make egg sandwich, okay?
We need mayonnaise.
You peel the egg.
Do you know how to take the eggshell out? Do you know? I teach you now. With the egg there. All white. All my egg is white. Another one. Look, it's all white. We are doing egg mayonnaise sandwich today. Whoa. First we need to crack. When I do another egg.
Okay.
To put out the eggshell.
Okay.
I want the light of the sun. Look, this is white. I show you how now, like that. My school use sandwich to peel with the plate and then show it in the dustbin or in container. And then you use the egg. You make the mayonnaise egg and then put on the plate and eat it. Can we use this? Also can.
For the eggshell. Eggshell is here.
This one?
Egg.
And then which one is for eating?
Later.
I grab it. That. Like that one. Everybody do like that. Love making. I think we say it's time to make. I eat rice. Then I eat swallow something. I swallow this poison.
No.
Eggshell fiber. I didn't swallow that. Just when I put in my mouth and I never swallow. I just pull it out. Like that. Pull like that. Pull my eggshell inside. Eggshell is brown, is it? Egg one. Can I do 2 or 3? Also can. Another one.
Okay.
2. I want to do another one. This one I no need to crack. It's really cracking. It's very hard to do. Is it? It's very hard. Oh, it's all wet. Oh.
Never mind.
Like that one eggs. Why you peel up the egg like that? Is it? Like that one egg. Why is it wet? Is it wash it? Oh, well, but my hands are wet.
Never mind. Can wipe the.
Okay, why?
Later we'll wash hands again.
After I peel this. Oh dear, it's dropped. We can put it now. I do 3 eggs now. First thing first, we must take out the egg shell. Then after we need to scramble it. Scramble the egg. Oh.
Slowly.
Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh. How? It's very hard to do. At school, teach me cut it half and then eat it half.
Yes.
And then another one scramble. Can I?
Slowly.
We use hand one or fork also can. I'll use fork. Eat itself. Just egg white. Yum yum. Now let's scramble it.
Okay.
Oh, very hard. I spits. We need to scraps. Great bits. My school egg is not difficult, but this egg is difficult.
3 eggs, ma. Okay, now I can try.
I can't scramble it. Mix them. Use fork to mix. Yeah, mayonnaise. Whoa! I want to try a little bit. Let's mix. Oh.
Slowly, okay?
And there, it did. The square like that one. My children also like that. And my school the children like that one. Yummy.
Oi.
I can mix up. My school never use spoon one. Where is spoon?
Can scrap this off, please? Okay, mix.
We make these bits. I mix the mayonnaise, egg, bread, Mama, Baba.
Yes.
Whoa!
Hey.
Haven't put that in bread yet. Hey, sauce, the sauce. The corn.
Why you eat directly? Huh?
We need to put that in the bread first.
Then why you eat?
Because 粘住嘛，
Hey.
粘住。
Hey.
哎，Hello，你吃完了我就没有 egg 了哦。啊，
还有，
我没有 egg 了哦。那
I want to keep one for Baba so.
Okay. You make for me.
And Baba also.
Okay. Thank
Baba
you.
also making for you, Baba.
Okay, thank you.
Whoa! Spread it out. That's so silly. Whoa! Scramble it. Scramble? Can I scramble it?
哎呦，我不给你吃完了咯。
No, it's not. I like Tia. He's this Nandu. Yum yum. Ah.
哎 ，spread on the bread 啊，你不要一直吃嘛，你一直吃没有了咯。
Hello, in my bowl. The milk that come down.
来的，连住的你就 spread。
I'm like that. I eat it. I don't. Can I get one for Baba? Baba, please. Put one for Baba.
那个是你啦，
Which is Baba 的？
你现在坐这。
嗯。No more for you.
那给你那个，
Baba 的
，OK。
Yum yum. I like this. Baba, your bread is done making. I already made your bread, Baba. This is yours? Neither? Neither?
嗯，
Mama, Baba, can I eat the breakfast and then go have a holiday? I want it. I want to go have a holiday. I'm very excited to go on holiday one. And after this,
吃东西先。
okay. Yummy.
嗯，里面就吃咯。
All the friends also like it.
Oh yes 啊，OK。
乐乐也是喜欢的。
嗯，乐乐也喜欢的。
It's good for us.
嗯，OK。
It's all inside your egg one, so it's good for you.
嗯
Yeah. Yummy.
OK。我去吃咯，饱饱哦。
I got got a bug.
no 啦，你 eat 啦，好好来。
Apa kaya?
You don't drop 啊，you eat。
The pink color place in the pink color place in Baba the
yellow 是爸爸的，pink 是妈妈的。
Baba.
哎。
Yellow place in the yellow place same with me like that.
The boy take yellow color, the girl take pink color.
Yeah, yellow. I am yellow. I saw a bag of bread. On you to eat it.
Okay, yummy 啊。
And we finish.
Wow, you are so fast today, oh.
Have I eaten? Mama, have I eaten? Right, we finish.
Okay.
Bell. Bell. After I finish my breakfast.